Financial aid focuses to maintain complete fee payment details of students, including the scholarship details. Major information which should be handled and maintained properly can be handled in the system easily and in a structured way. Financial aid department handles all the sponsorship operations and acts as a bridge between the sponsors and the students. Challenges: manual communication with sponsors and generation of invoices to the sponsors for a group of students, or for a single student by finance department. No structured way of storing the data physically and record maintenance. One-to-one communication with the students who has not paid, fee tracking and analyzing the student billing and payments in the college. Solution: system through communication with sponsors and invoice generation. Alerts, notifications and holds can be applicable to the students who ever not paid the fee. Automatic calculation of balance amount to be paid by the student once the received the sponsor funds. Flexibility to trace out the unpaid students within scheduled time and send alerts and notification, and finally keep them on hold from any access by the student. Creation of the invoices on group basis or individual basis in the system. Benefits: user-friendly process to apply for sponsorships. Flexible online invoice generation to the sponsors. This department is responsible to take care of all the payment-related transactions of students, like current semester fee of a student, discounts if any, total amount paid, periodical installment payments and reminders. Update manually if it is offline payment. Sponsorship eligibility and amount refunded out of total fee. Generate invoices, statements, and receipts. All these are handled in Student Information System and also allows fee payments through system using Payment Gateway System. Hi. We are SMAX.